Alright, so we didn't bring a grill, and I have chicken, and Jason has a pork chop. We gotta cook that. So we put this rock in here. It's alright. Hopefully that works.
Oh, sure.
It'll work.
Hoorah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, there's Jason's pork chop cooking on a rock. I hear it sizzling.
She's cooking.
Oh yeah. And I got chicken legs. Right on. Yeah, what a good day. Yeah. Right on. Oh yeah, it's cooking nice, eh?
Mm-hmm. Good bed of coals under there now.
Oh yeah.
The rock is a good idea.
Yeah.
Solved our no-grow problem.
Yeah.
Because it's going to heat up real evenly, too.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about the flame and the flare-up.
Oh yeah.
Just like cooking on a skillet. You can probably put them right on the rock, man.
Well, it's just they're still kind of frosty.
It's cooking pretty slow.
Yeah.
The chop is. You keep them off to the side for now.
Sure.
Just help warm them up.
Ooh.
Chicken and pork reunited again. They used to be buddies out on the farm.
Yeah.
Now they're buddies on the grill.
Yeah, these guys were actually friends.
Yeah, getting this sight dialed right in, man.
Yeah. And it's cold washing your hands when it's like 2 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Well, right on, man. It's almost. Oh man.
Yes. Buddy. Well, the nice fat juicing up. Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh man. It's like perfect.
You see it with dark?
You can see it on this one. The GoPro's starting to fade out. And it turns out the answer to cooking chicken on a fire without burning the crap out of it is with a stone. Every other time I've cooked chicken on a fire, just burn the crap out of it. Yeah. Looks cool too. Like, looks real cool.
I'm digging it.
Yeah.
Just leave the rock like that.
Yeah, man. Just leave our fire pit like this from now on. We can always just make it bigger, like build around it.
I was even gonna say, like, once it cools down, we could just take the flat rock off, leave that one in the center.
Yeah, that's true.
Just throw the flat rock on whenever we need a fire.
Yeah.
And just build up around that middle one.
That's true.
Always set for it.
Build the fire up and then put the flat rock on.
Yeah. Or like tonight when we're done cooking, we could just 2 sticks would be able to lift that flat rock out, but getting that circle one out.
Yeah, I know. You may as well leave it.
That in there forever.
Yeah. Well, it's in like perfect position.
Perfect position, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it's sweet.
Can you see it?
Yeah, actually. This camera is actually, like, my phone camera is way better than my GoPro. Like, it picks it right up. My GoPro is, like, useless almost. It does. The camera picks it right up. Turn. The skin's breaking a little bit on me. Oh well.
This is good.
Yeah. It's cooking real nice though.
Pretty good. Good heat though.
Yeah.
I mean, my pork chop's cooking right along, so your chicken will cook no problem.
Oh yeah. No, it looks perfect.
Yeah, that's browning up good there.
I wish I had brought some seasonings for it.
I know. I wish I brought honey or something. Barbecue sauce. Next time we come in, we'll bring some good food.
It'll be good either way though. I mean, I haven't had chicken on a fire in a while.
I was thinking about doing kebabs actually. That would have been mint.
That'd be good. Too. Yeah, that'd be good too.
Chicken, peppers, tomatoes, onions.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
All this stuff.
Oh, that's looking so good.
They are. They're cooking good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Chicken wings would be sweet on here, eh?
That would be.
You'd be able to cook them now. Cause I'd always be afraid of losing them in the grill.
Yeah, yeah.
Mitch's grill is nice, but it's a little unstable sometimes.
It can be.
Pins pop out, and it's like, oh
Yeah.
man, my food.
Yeah, and those Algonquin grills are like big, like they're a big space between them.
Yeah.
Those big cast iron ones.
This is perfect. You could cook breakfast sausages on here.
Yeah.
I'd like to try bacon, because it would make its own grease.
It would. That'd be actually, bacon would be friggin' awesome on
It'd be
here.
great on that, eh?
Yeah.
And you wouldn't have to clean up anything.
Yeah. It'd all just run off the stone into the fire.
Yeah, just add to the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, bacon's the shit, man.
Yeah.
Scrambled eggs would be nice to try, but I feel like you'd lose a ton unless you didn't have oil.
You could try it like a sunny side up egg.
You need oil, though.
Yeah, you would. Oh, it smells good, man. There we go.
Oh.
Thinking if I put the pot over them, it might like hold the heat in like an oven almost.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There we go. Yeah. That'll cook them faster.
The bush oven.
Yeah, the bush oven.
Oh man.
Eating right off the fire, eh?
It's the way she would have wanted to go.
Yeah. Old Betsy.
Old Betsy.
It's Metzger's one too, eh?
Yeah.
Damn. Right on.
Best butcher shop in the world, man.
Yeah. That was the best pork chops I ever had. Oh, that chicken sounding pretty good though.
How's it looking?
Guess I should see it. Ugh. Looking pretty good.
Oh yeah. Looking real good.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
Ugh. Come on, let's get the tongs. The tongs, no rock. Keep going. Oh, that's really good. Not fitting now.
Oh,
There we go.
we're chopped.
There we go. Got her. Oh yeah. Living the dream.
Yep. This is life
Yeah, man.
in Canada.
Yeah.
What we do.
Ride our moose back to town tomorrow.
How else you gonna get to town?
I don't know.
We'd smoke some beer.
Could try to ride a deer, I guess.
With Mark.
Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna. It's funny, my phone doesn't know what to focus on. It's like dancing back and forth between like you and the fire pit and your friggin' pork bone.
Man. So juicy.
Oh, come on, chicken.
That's the thing about cooking them in the oven. Take forever.
Yeah, probably like 20 minutes.
But they're good.
That'll be good though.
Especially over this fire.
Mm-hmm. I could throw a sausage or two on, I guess, too.
Oh yeah, you got sausage too, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm bringing bacon, eggs, sausage, the works out next time.
Yeah. I was skeptical of 3 chicken legs being enough to fill me up. Oh, yeah.
Just sizzling right away.
Oh, yeah. Oktoberfest. Right. That's going to be good. Just let it flip here. Turn the oven up here for you. No, they're cooking pretty good.
Well, she was almost out underneath.
Oh, was it?
Keep her going.
Oh, I guess it's just on this side where it's going there.
Yeah. How she looked at this side? She looked beautiful.
Yeah, she's rolling pretty good here.
Like Christmas fire going on.
Yeah. All we need is some snow.
Maybe tonight.
Maybe. Could happen.
I was out for it last year.
Yeah.
The first snowfall. Be another milestone to hit.
Yeah.
Then we were the first people to fish Algonquin this year.
Yeah, we were. People were coming in as we were leaving, actually.
Yeah. Well, I stayed out there prior to fishing opening.
Yeah.
Wow, those look good.
These do look good.
This one right here is amazing on the side that's facing me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks sick.
You should put that far one closer in the middle. Just like the one in the middle is cooking more than the outsiders.
Yeah, the outsiders.
That one looks good, God, baby.
Yeah.
Going on it.
There we go. Okay.
I love that symbol.
Yeah. They're cooking good. That's for sure. So that's how you cook chicken on a fire. Smoked sausages. Wasabi peas. See what it's like eating a whole handful.
I won't buy you. Yeah, that's gonna hurt.
Oh.
You can't spit it out. The damage has been done. You're not gonna want to eat anymore.
It's not so bad now.
No, yeah, it stings for a bit.
Clears your nose out.
Oh yeah, no, your sinuses right on there.
Oh yeah. Once the wasabi's gone, it's not so bad. Let me eat one of these sausages.
They cooked already?
They're smoked.
Woo! That's probably hot as
That's hot there.
whoa, buddy.
Might even just be done. Maybe.
Rip one open and see.
Well, this one it's shrunk, like the bones shrunk up, right?
Yeah,
like,
so that usually is different.
yeah.
Is it all white through the bone?
It's hard to tell. The fire's burning my hand. I think so. Oh. Maybe gonna cook for a few more minutes, just to be safe. Cool. Oh yeah, it's time to eat these. Yeah, no, that was a really good idea you had there.
Seen some dude do it. Now we're trying it. It clearly works.
Yeah.
Didn't spend any money on that grill.
Yeah. Perfectly free. Yeah, good, eh?
Pretty good. We gotta bring seasoning out next time.
Yeah. Still, they're still juicy though.
Oh yeah. It's like they were baked in an oven.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We're gonna save that rock. Put it somewhere.
Put it under the table.
Oh yeah. Good idea. Keep her in the kitchen.
Yeah, or else we won't find it in the winter.
Yeah. Ah, chicken wings, man. Next time we come out here, I think I'm gonna bring some.
Chicken wings.
Throw the buffalo sauce right on the pan.
Oh yeah. Oh,
They crisped up real good.
real good.
They work real well.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Way too hot to eat though. Burning my fingers still.
They already ate a handful of wasabi peas.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. Stone grilled chicken.